Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that can truly elevate your cooking experience and your health. We're talking about cookware, and specifically, we're reviewing the SENSARTE Nonstick Cookware Set, a 13-piece collection that promises a healthier, easier, and more enjoyable time in the kitchen. Now, if you're anything like me, the thought of cooking can sometimes feel like a chore, especially when it involves scrubbing stubborn burnt-on food from your pans. That's where a good non-stick set comes in, and SENSARTE is making some bold claims. So, let's break down what this 13-piece set is all about. First and foremost, let's talk about the core of any non-stick cookware, the coating. SENSARTE highlights its Swiss ILAG non-stick coating. This is a pretty significant detail. They emphasize that this coating is free from intentionally added PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This is crucial for anyone concerned about the health implications of their cookware. They also claim it's smokeless, safe, and healthy, encouraging cooking with little oil for a healthier diet. This is a fantastic selling point, as it aligns with the growing trend towards healthier eating habits without sacrificing flavor or convenience. The set itself is quite comprehensive, boasting a large and versatile 13-piece collection. What exactly do you get? You'll find a 9.5-inch fry pan, a substantial 4.5-quart or 11-inch sauté pan that comes with a lid, a 2.5-quart saucepan also with a lid, and a 4.5-quart casserole pan, again, complete with a lid. This assortment covers a wide range of culinary tasks, from frying eggs and searing meats to simmering sauces and making stews. The idea here is to equip you with everything you need for your daily cooking needs, and hopefully, reignite your passion for cooking. One of the biggest frustrations with some cookware is its incompatibility with different stovetops. SENSARTE addresses this by stating that their pans are suitable for all stoves. They feature a thick and flat bottom that heats up quickly and evenly. But the real key here is the high magnetic conductive stainless steel base. This means these pots and pans are not only compatible with gas and electric stoves but also with induction cooktops. This broad compatibility is a huge advantage, ensuring that no matter what kind of kitchen setup you have, this set will work for you. Let's move on to one of the most celebrated features of non-stick cookware, ease of cleaning. And SENSARTE claims this set is super easy to clean. They mention that it's non-stick and, importantly, has no rivets. Rivets can be notorious for trapping food particles and making cleaning a hassle. With no rivets, the claim is that you can simply wipe it over with a sponge and warm soapy water. This simplifies your daily routine significantly, making meal preparation and cleanup less of a burden. When it comes to the build quality, SENSARTE describes the non-sticking pan inside as being made of cast aluminum. They highlight that this material is more sturdy and less prone to warping. This is important for longevity and consistent cooking performance. They also mention that the SENSARTE nonstick frying pan has passed international certification, which adds another layer of confidence in its quality and safety. Lightweight is also a descriptor used, which is a significant plus for ease of handling, especially for those who might find heavier pans difficult to manage. Finally, let's talk about the user experience and comfort. The set features Stay Cool handles made of wood grain Bakelite. This material is chosen for its comfortable grip and, as the name suggests, its ability to stay cool while you're cooking, preventing accidental burns. The lids are made of tempered glass, which is a standard but very useful feature. This allows you to conveniently monitor your food as it cooks without having to lift the lid, thus retaining heat and moisture and limiting those annoying splashes on your stove. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Swiss ILAG non-stick coating is a major draw, offering a healthy cooking surface free from harmful chemicals. The 13-piece collection provides excellent versatility for most home cooks. The compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, is a huge plus. The riveted-free design and easy clean surface are incredibly practical. The cast aluminum construction suggests durability and sturdiness, and the Stay Cool handles enhance safety and comfort. However, as with any product, there are potential drawbacks to consider. While cast aluminum is sturdy, some premium cookware might use heavier gauges or different materials for superior heat distribution and durability. The longevity of any non-stick coating can vary depending on usage and care, so it's always recommended to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for cleaning and cooking to maximize its lifespan. Also, while the set is described as lightweight, some users might prefer the heft of heavier pans for searing. In conclusion, the SENSARTE Nonstick Cookware Set 13-piece appears to be a well-rounded and practical option for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. It emphasizes health, ease of use, and versatility, ticking many of the boxes that home cooks look for. The Swiss non-stick coating, the comprehensive piece count, and the universal stovetop compatibility make this a compelling choice. If you're seeking a set that simplifies your cooking and cleaning while promoting a healthier lifestyle, this SENSARTE collection is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.